Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that can transform your financial future, investing. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, stick around because we've got some valuable insights coming your way.
So, why should you consider investing? Let's break it down. Beat inflation. First off, investing helps you beat inflation. If you leave your money in a savings account, it might grow at a snail's pace. But investing? That's where the magic happens. Wealth building. Investing is like planting seeds. Over time, those seeds grow into sturdy trees, your wealth. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or other assets, investing accelerates your financial growth. Compound interest. Remember compound interest? It's the eighth wonder of the world, according to Einstein. When your earnings generate more earnings, your money multiplies faster. Remember, investing isn't just about money. It's about securing your future. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a financial boost. Until next time, happy investing